Oh my god!
Hey guys, Job here with History and Reviews. Hopefully you can hear me. So real quick for History and Reviews, 2 year, for us being on YouTube for nearly 2 years, this new channel, I bought 2 items for him, and I think they're going to be pretty cool. I don't know what they look like in real life. I told him on the Messenger Hangouts that they look priceless, but trust me, they got reduced with a discount, and that's all I'll say. Here we go.
So I was just wondering, are these the 2 items that you got for me?
Oh yeah, they're right there.
Oh wow!
And that's the end of the review.
Why they put it in such a big box? In case you guys are wondering, I don't live here. This is our aunt's house. Job messaged me on Hangouts, and like he said, he said, "Come over here. I gotta show you something." So I came over here. And he said, "Bring the Mac Mini because he wants to edit this review video." I don't know if you can see me, but that doesn't matter. This is beside the point. Let us open up. See this? I got 2 knives right here. I'm going to take out the smaller one to open this box because I don't want to damage it. Now, when you open boxes, you want to cut very, very slowly.
And remember, ladies and gentlemen, there are 2 items in here. So yeah.
I bet you anything it's that.
Hope there are 2 items.
It's that $4,000 cinema lens.
Yeah, it's that a super long 30-inch cinema lens that Joker uses.
Sorry. Okay. A fly flew into my throat. A laughing fly.
As you see, ladies and gentlemen, that is a cinema lens. That is the length of it. It's hard to hold. You have to have 2 people to hold it.
There's only one over here.
There's only one over there.
Sorry.
These are collectibles.
I'm dying. I don't know what it is. I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. It's not opening. I don't want to break the box. Oh my god. What is this? I've been waiting for like
a week.
It feels like my life. Oh my god. Here I go. Here. I don't want to break this thing. Open up. Oh, oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh man. I don't know what it says. I don't know why I did that. There's so much. He bought me paper.
Why did I buy him paper?
Brown paper.
That's not what I ordered.
For my brown bottle flu. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! He got me a fantasy sword with a sheath, and it looks like we went to a shop in during Gen Con. If you watched that video, Joe mentioned it. We went to a cosplay shop, and a guy was selling like swords kind of like this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Wow, thank you. Oh my god.
And there should be
Look at this.
Something else underneath.
Look at that. Oh my god. If you all don't know, Job and I, we collect. Well, he collects knives too. But his specialty is like BB guns and shotguns, pump action shotguns in real life. I collect a lot of, I used to collect BB guns, but I collect a lot of knives and swords and things that we've done reviews on. Check them out. Get our reviews up.
And if you,
I love this. This is beautiful.
I sent him on Hangouts. The hint is the collector, and he collects weapons.
Yes.
So
I said Rick Harrison from Pawn Stars. Wow, I didn't know. I was like thinking about it all day. I was really thinking about this all day. I'm like the collector, and I was thinking like, what was it that I was thinking? I don't think knives enter my mind, or swords, I should say. Anything like with a blade, but I was thinking like, what do I collect? And I'm like, okay, I play Pokemon sometimes. Maybe he's talking about, collecting Pokemon, catch 'em all and stuff. Because we used to play Pokemon Go when it came out. And this looks like, holy shoot, a receipt. I'm not going to look at the price because I'll feel horrible. But yeah, wow. I'm excited. And this one,
I can't wait to see
called the Fantasy Sword with a Sheath. Clockwork, yeah, that word, I can't say. Aparatica, there we go, Tico. Aparatico, Rose Tico. Now this one is in a box, so I don't see a name on it. I don't see a brand. I'm just going to assume that it might be the same one. And I think I know why. Besides the History and Reviews anniversary, he got these. My brain is, oh my god. This is the one, is this the one that you showed me?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. And then History and Reviews credit right here. That's actually a real reaction, by the way. And continue. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I love it. Oh my God, look at this. He showed me a picture of this. He showed me a picture of this on, hang on, I gotta get my fingers out of the way, I'm sorry. This is a Japanese styled katana. And it reminds me, I remember, I shouldn't be laughing, but I remember when I was younger and Job was like 4 or 5, I played this game, Brave Fencer Musashi. And he had a sword just like this named Fusion, and a lot of you will like go into nostalgia lane. Named Fusion, and Job was always terrified of that game because the zombies went.
Yeah, that game freaked me out.
It was because it actually had creepy music. And here's the cool sheath. It's got a robotic design.
And there are triggers. It is electronic. I think it has sounds, and it's a real sword. I believe.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It is dignitary. I love that
I don't know how you use the sounds, but it is electronic. I think you need batteries, but it is a real sword. That one, they are both.
Oh my God.
The one with the sheath is a real sword. That one he's holding is a prop display, so you can use it for movies. And,
wow. I love this. I love both of them. I gotta take out the other one too. I'm trying to find out where. I see like you can open this up on the bottom.
But yeah, that might be where the batteries go. So this sword, actually, if you guys have played Overwatch, it is a samurai named Genji's. It's his replica sword, and it's a miniature version of his. Not a miniature. It's a smaller version. It's like a compact samurai sword, and it's pretty lengthy, to be honest.
I love it.
It's really compact, and yeah.
Wow. I love it. This is 100% dignitary sword. I'm trying to think of like any of the like there are so many things that look like buttons on this. I don't see one. Maybe you have to put the batteries in and then it does the sound, and then you take the batteries out. Yeah. I love this. Oh my God, I'm gonna mount this on a wall when I get back to my place. Oh my God. Wow. And if you know me, I love not only just the look of the hilt and the sheath, but I also love the inspiration that comes with blades. You have obviously varying degrees of sharpness with blades, depending on the region from which is. From Japan, they have like the sharpest blades in the world. If you didn't know that. In America, we have some sharp blades here, but we also have laws and regulations here too on how sharp, in certain states and districts, how sharp a blade can be legally. So that's what I also really like about blades as well. Is it's just I love the sharpness and the design of the blade. Like this one right here is 100% medieval inspired.
Yeah.
And also has some Japanese influence as well. And I know Joe is dying to see this one, and I'm gonna open it up.
So these this is from TrueSwords.com. They sell the cheapest replica real swords that you can get. They range from the lowest I've seen something on their website, the lowest $1 to about $600 for a real Japanese katana.
Biggest blade.
Which is is crazy expensive, but I mean they sell great products, and this is a steampunk sword, so I guess it's steampunk inspired, which if you guys know is like crazy gadgets and like yellow orange tint is what they commonly use for steampunk. So we have a steampunk, and then we have a futuristic Ronin electronic samurai sword. So
I'm dying. This is amazing. Wow. You know, I was actually going to do something like this. I was actually going to do the whole gift thing, too, for the 2 years, because I know we did something last year.
Whoa!
Oh, my God.
Oh, my goodness.
This is heavy. This is heavier than the toy one. It's a lot more thin. This is like the spiritual sword of the other realm. That's a reference only him and I will get.
That is...
Look at that! Oh, my God!
That is crazy!
I want to go out and test it on people. I really do. I love it. I want to test this out on people. I want to see how sharp it is. Ah!
Oh gosh, cut.
Okay, we're back. I went to the hospital emergency room and they gave me a robotic finger, but the only one that I damaged was this one. Anyway, so I'm sorry. Not you, the audience. Anyway,
the finger.
Look at the finger. Look at the intricate design. This appears to me. Sorry, I keep twisting. I'm trying to like see the lighting. Give me 1 second. It appears to me that it might. I don't see any chips in it, so it should not have been painted on. It might have been engraved. The gold design. I don't know how well that camera is showing it, but there's a gold design. You do have this amazing. What is that called? It's a word. There's a word for this. Not a design. It's embroider that has three screws. It's screwed in on one side, goes through the other as well. And then you have this beautiful Indian-inspired the wrap, the handle wrap. There's a term for it, and I'm just so excited right now because I want to use this on someone. I really do. And then you have a string hole, so you can, tie it to a string and hold it. If you add a D to the end of hole, you get hold. I love this. I love it. I feel like I will definitely take this many, many places. I don't usually take my weapons and machetes places unless someone says, we need your machetes to cut weeds and stuff like that. Then I do.
He would be the life of the party cutting machetes because no one has a machete like that.
Exactly. Gen Con inspired 128 million%. I love this thing. It's just so weird. Okay, with the sheath on this one, it's a little bit heavier than this one. But if you take the sheath off...
That one, that futuristic you guys see right there, is a wooden scabbard sheath. And so they're both real. They're both made of metal, I believe. And lengthwise, the Assassin one is more compact, which is kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really want like a huge one. And that steampunk is awesome looking.
Wow.
So, yeah, that is True Swords. You can go online, trueswords.com. You can find these are pretty cheap for what they were discounted. And swords.
I'm like wondering, audience, which is your favorite one? Vote in the comments. Tell us which one you like the best. And of course, people are going to be like, well, I would judge this one if you put the batteries in it. Imagine it didn't come with batteries. Which one would you like to have, to own, or whatever? And you can't say both because it's not really an answer. You have to pick one out of these two. Wow.